Hi guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Peaches and Petals box for June. I've got my friendly co-host here, Swifty. So a little bit about this box. This is $19.99 a month. It's full of women's lifestyle items. This is kind of quirky, kind of fun. It's always an interesting mix, very eclectic, very cute. Definitely many months rival the bigger lifestyle subscriptions. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Peaches and Petals with my affiliate link so you can check them out. But right now we're just going to open this up. It looks amazing from the inside. So right here it says, Peaches and Petals, this month's shipping box is recycled from a food drive we did for local shelters. It was a huge success due to contributions from customers like yourself. Thank you. Can we suggest you find a way to reuse this box as well? So there's that. Here's our insert right here. Summertime and feeling fine. We want you to kick back and relax with a cold drink in your hand. We've included the perfect fruity cocktail on the flip side for to try. We hope you enjoy. So it's a vacation in a glass. Cranberry juice, orange juice, pineapple juice with red rum and mango rum. But those are optional, the alcohols. It's not optional. Now when you've got 4 kids, it's not. No, I'm just kidding. All right. This looks super cute, all these items. So first we have Le Jolie Beauty Labs ASAP Blow Dry Spray. So this dries your hair 2 times faster. Look great as fast, adds shine and texture to all hair types. See, I cannot, like, for me to blow dry my hair, it takes forever because I have to make sure it doesn't get frizzy. And like my hair, like, my girlfriend is a hairdresser and explained this to me. Has to do with your hair, the holes, pores or something closing up. I don't know. It's scientifical, a little beyond my understanding. But maybe this would work for me. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. All right. Then we've got an umbrella. Isn't this cute? This is from Occasionally Made. And it is super adorable. This is like a rubber handle. And it's like, almost looks like a pine. I don't want to open it because that's bad luck. But it looks like it's going to look like a pineapple or some sort of fruit maybe or something. What do you think? It's adorable though. I don't have any, like traditional umbrellas with hooks. I'm the super cute. All right. Next, we've got another item from Body Luxuries. We get a lot of items from them. That bath pillow, by the way, I love it. I use that in the bath all the time. This is a facial buff. It also is called a tampon under it. That's not so inappropriate. Why am I laughing right now? Anyway. Okay. So, there's those. Those are all, I can always use those. I use these actually to wash my face, like when I am exfoliating or whatever. So that is nice. Then finally, what is, yeah, what is it? Oh, it's it matches, I think, our umbrella. It's a tote bag, or is it a cooler bag, or what is it? Some sort of a beach bag. I love the handles. Isn't it pretty? For like the pool or when you go to the beach. We've already been to the beach. We're not going anymore. But we are traveling in the mid-August. The mid-August. It does have a zipper inside. It's like very durable canvas. I love it. I do. So that's everything in the June Peaches and Petals. I'm super impressed. $19.99 for all this stuff. Sorry, sweetie. So you get the, she's over here sniffing. Little paw. You get all this stuff for $19.99. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Peaches and Petals so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.